Ego. This word might look small, but in reality, it is incredibly powerful and dangerous. If you were to ask me what the most powerful force in this universe is, my answer would be ego. It is a force that can make a man do absolutely anything, from permanently ending your poverty to cutting ties with a backstabbing friend. From silencing your toxic relatives to becoming the most successful man in your bloodline. Your ego can make you achieve dreams that seem way out of your league. If you channel your ego in the right direction, you can do anything. And I repeat, anything. But to do that, you need to fully understand and decode this ego, which I have explained in detail in this video. So watch this until the end without skipping. Now, the first question that arises is, what exactly is this ego? Since childhood, a thought has been deeply planted in your mind. Don't have an ego. Ego destroys a person. The one who bows down is the greatest. But have you ever wondered what this ego actually is? If we look at it through the lens of psychology, your ego is your identity. It is your I. It is the mirror in which you see yourself and determine your own value. When someone ignores you, makes fun of you, or looks down on you, that thing that breaks inside, that pain you feel, that is your ego getting hurt. It is your internal defense mechanism, the monster that wakes up when someone attacks your self-respect. Ego is not a disease. It is a feeling that tells you that you exist in this world and that you have value. But the problem begins when you don't even know how this ego works. 99% of people in the world cannot control their ego. Instead, their ego controls them. This is called a fragile ego. If someone says something bad to them, they react immediately, lose their temper, start arguing, and waste all their energy right there. The remote control of their emotions is in the hands of others, but the 1% who actually understand it use it like a dark and solid weapon. Now the question is, how do you control this ego? Controlling your ego absolutely does not mean killing it or destroying it. It means chaining it up and making it your slave. When someone disrespects you or tries to show you your place, you must not react immediately. A man with a solid ego never answers by screaming or fighting. He drinks that insult, that rejection, straight down. You have to learn to convert that pain into your dark energy. When your ego gets hurt, don't pacify it by retaliating in the moment. Let that ego starve. Keep it starving until it forces you to lose sleep and get to work. Use that anger, that disrespect, as your fuel. Whoever looked down on you, save their words in your mind forever. Whenever you feel demotivated, remember that person's face. Your ego won't let you stop. Along with this, you have to completely detach yourself from other people's opinions. If someone praises you, don't fly in the clouds. And if someone criticizes you, don't get depressed. Your mindset should be so cold that the other person's words die before they even reach you. Your ego doesn't need to make noise. Learn to strike in silence. Never reveal your plans to anyone. When you work in silence, your enemies get confused. They won't even know what you are masterminding. Let your results make the noise. Your aura should become so mysterious and powerful that people start fearing your silence. In the end, just remember this. Your ego is your best friend, but only as long as you are its boss. The day you attach your hurt ego to your progress and your success, this world will bow before you. You won't need anyone's validation, so go and put that ego to work. Show them what real power looks like.